Hi, I'm Jiajun Lu, founder and CEO of Akool. Over the past year, we've accomplished what many believed was still years away: real-time AI video generation. Today, I'm excited to introduce Akool Live Camera, the newest product in our Akool Live Suite, and one of the first tools in the world to generate hyper-realistic, studio-quality video in real time. This suite includes live avatars, face swapping, video translation, and real-time video generation, all powered by AI for fast, accurate, and emotionally authentic results. Akool Live Camera doesn't just improve video creation, it redefines the experience. Let me show you how. For global companies, managing meetings across languages is a challenge. You either hire multilingual presenters or spend hours on dubbing. Akool Live Camera changed that. With AI video translation, a speaker can talk in their native language and instantly appear as a fluent speaker in another, complete with realistic lip sync, natural voice matching, and even cultural gesture adaptation.
リスさん、いつの間にやら先ほどやじしてないこれただのナチュラルウォーターですか水で Literally water. Water. Without a doubt, it's entirely the glass's fault.
In our demo, someone speaks Japanese and becomes an English-speaking virtual twin, live on screen, and it's reactive. If the audience starts asking about a specific topic, the avatar shifts focus automatically. No producers required. It's like having a multilingual presenter built into your camera, ready for any virtual room in any country. In e-commerce live streaming, losing a popular host can hurt engagement and brand consistency. Akool Live Camera's AI face swap lets companies license and keep using a trusted host's likeness, even if they are no longer available. It's a powerful way to maintain audience connection and protect influencer value, all while keeping campaigns seamless and scalable. Akool also enables real-time AI avatars, not just for fun, but for functional, professional use. Imagine a global support team where every agent appears as a consistent, branded avatar, polished, confident, and always on message. Or think of situations where privacy matters. With Akool, individuals can appear as avatars while still speaking naturally and expressively. Whether for branding, privacy, or consistency, this gives teams a powerful, flexible way to communicate. Now we want to let you in on something we've been quietly working on. It's still in development, but we think it's too exciting not to share. Imagine a video that creates itself as you describe it. A story that listens to your voice, adapts to your ideas, and unfolds in real time. A lone figure dashes across the vast plains of a Zelda-inspired landscape. The setting sun bathes the fields in warm amber light until dark storm clouds roll in. Thunder rumbles, lightning splits the sky, and rain begins to fall. As the figure fades into the distance, the wilderness melts away, transforming into a modern city. That's what we are building with Akool's real-time AI video generation. It will transform how we create and consume content. No longer something static, but a living, evolving experience driven by imagination. It's not just a video. It's a living story, made by you, powered by Akool. With Akool Live Camera, we are unlocking new ways to communicate across languages, cultures, and platforms, instantly and authentically. This isn't just a product, it's a shift in how we show up in the world. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of AI technology.